Hello students, today in this class we learn about list function. List data type we already discussed in previous video. Now today we learn about list function. So Python provides following list function. So our first function is len. So this function returns the number of element in the list. Like if we assume this list and we write here print len a. So len function will count how many elements in a list. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our output is 5. So we try this example in the Python. So here I write a equal to any number of elements 5, 6, 12, 8 and 9. So there are 5 elements. So we want to know how many elements in our list. So I write here print len a and I run this command. So as you can see my output is 5 because number of element in our list is 5. Our next function is max. This function is used to find maximum value from given list. So if we want to know what is the maximum number in our list, that time we will use this max function. So if this is list a equal to 5, 6, 8, 12, 9 and I write here print max a. So what is the maximum value from the list a is 12. My output is 12. So we can try this example. So I write here max. So run. So as you can see my maximum number is 12 is coming. In same way I can write here minimum function min. So in this list my minimum number is 5. So this function will return minimum number of the given list. So minimum number is 5. And our next function is append. Append function what does? This function is used to add element in the list at the last position. So like if I write a equal to C++, Java, Python, then I write a dot append Oracle. So what append does? It will add element Oracle at the last position. So output is C++, Java, Python and Oracle. So at the last append always add element at the last position. So at the last Oracle will be added. So we can try this program in the Python. So if I write here a equal to C++, Java and anything, I write basic and I write here a dot append Oracle and now I write print a. So I run the program now. So as you can see C++, Java, basic and Oracle, all the at the last Oracle is added by the help of append function. So now our next function is count. What count does? This method is used to count number of objects. Like I have this list a equal to 2, 3, 5, 2, 9, 3, 2. Now I want to know how many times 2 is coming in the list. So then I use to function count. Print a dot count 2. As we can see my output is 3. It means in the given list 2 is coming 3 times. So if I write here 10 and 10 is not coming here, so output will be 0. So we can try this in Python. A equal to I write 2, 5, 5, 2, 1, 2, 6. So anything can be. So I write here print a dot count and I want to know how many 2 times are coming. So my output will be 3. So as you can see my output is coming 3 because 2 is coming 3 times. If I write here count and I write here 10. So 10 is not coming in the list. So my output would be 0. So my output would be 0 because 10 is not coming in the list. Our next function is index. So this function is used to find index value of any element of the list. So if I want to know index value of any element, that time we will use index function, and index number starts from 0. So what happen if I have this list C++, Java and Python, and I write print a dot index Java. So what is the index value of Java? So index number starts from 0. So C++ index number is 0 and Java index number is 1. So my output is 1. If element is not there, then it will produce error. Then you can try this. If I write here C++, Java and Python, bracket is close, and I write print a dot index of Java. Now I run the program. So as you can see, 1 is output, and if I write here, apart from anything from the list, I write here TT. So as you can see, it is producing error that TT is not in the list. Then our next function is insert. So this function is used to find insert element at particular position or index. Like in previous we learned about append function. Append always add element at the last position. But what if I want to know that I want to add element at the particular position? So that time we will use insert function. So insert function, what it does, a equal to C++ Java Python, we assume a list. Now a dot insert 2 Oracle. So at the index number 2, Oracle will also insert. Then my output will be like this. So second position, second index number 0, 1, second index number Oracle is added at a particular position. So we can try this. So I write here a dot insert at second location I want to add Oracle. So run. So I write here print now a. Now I run the program. So as you can see, at second position Oracle is added. So we can add element at particular position by the help of insert function. So today in this class we start our list functions. So we learn today len, max, min, append, count, index and insert function.